Today we're working on an IBM ThinkPad. What we're going to do is show you how to change the RAM in it. This is where the hard drive goes. We're also going to swap that out, put a new hard drive in here. But this RAM, if you notice, there's two banks. This is one bank and this is the second bank. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. So this second bank, or the first bank, notice that this is not perfectly even. This tooth is over on this side more. So we're going to find where that tooth is. We're going to put it in at an angle, kind of slant it up, and then snap it down. You could hear it snap. Now if you look closely at it, this tells you what it is. It tells you by pulling them apart. They come out, by the way. By looking closely at it, you can see that it is made by Samsung and that it's 8 gigabyte module. So 8 gigabytes. If we wanted, so right now this has 16 gigabytes in it. If we wanted to go to more, we would have to throw away both of these and buy two bigger modules. You must have the same size modules in each one of the bays. Some motherboards let you mix and match, but most notebooks do not. So it'd be fairly expensive to upgrade this because you would have to throw these two 8s away and buy two 16s, take it to 32 gigabyte. The other thing you want to worry about is, does this motherboard even handle 32 gigabytes? You can find that kind of information out online before you buy. So that's my tips for today.